Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Today we were focusing on what plants need to survive in our desert climate.
First and foremost, you have to give them a good start.
Basically, our soil here is all sand, rock, and clay. It's very hard to dig in. You need to dig the hole 2 to 3 times as wide as the container it is in. The depth of the hole is not as critical and only needs to be about the same depth or slightly deeper than the root ball of the plant.
The extra area around the root ball will be the transition layer of soil for the roots to pass through before they have to make their way into the native soil. It is very important that this transition layer be a mix of the native soil and an organic mulch, compost, or planting mix. These should be mixed together in equal parts. The rich organic matter is what the newly expanded roots need to attach in order to absorb water and nutrients.
Be sure to pack the mix around the root ball so that it doesn't settle too much after watering. Make sure that the top of the root ball is even with the surrounding soil level. Then water the root ball and the surrounding area thoroughly so that it gets all the way down through the root zone. Be sure to install proper irrigation for all of your plants. And remember, there's 2 things that roots need to survive: water and air. If you water your plants too often or keep them too wet, air cannot get into the soil for the roots and they will suffocate. It is always best to water your plants longer than it is to water small amounts more frequently.
Make sure you know what exposure your plants need in order to do well. Some plants can't tolerate our hot summer sun in the afternoon, and some can't take freezing temperatures if exposed to them. Adding fertilizer is always important for plants to replenish what they take out of the soil while growing.
All plants benefit from fertilizing at least once or twice a year right before the growing seasons. Because of the high pH or alkalinity in our soil, always use fertilizers that have a good percentage of sulfur or other acidifiers. Some of the nutrients like iron and nitrogen are leached out of the soil very quickly and need to be replenished more often.
For more information on this topic, get our STAR Notes 001-600-620-900A and B at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.